Morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the problems on JetBus building algorithm. Okay, in the previous class also we solved the problem that will be related to the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, this type of problems will be coming in the external paper. Okay, it carries the 14 marks. Okay, each and every set we are having the one question and it carries the 14 marks. Okay, it is very important problem. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the first problem. Okay, that is determine the JetBus using building algorithm for a power system whose element data is given in the following table. Okay, this data will be given in the question paper. Okay, it is the previous year question paper. Okay, in that third unit, that is the formation of the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, this will be, it carries the 14 marks in the external paper. Okay, and this is the given table. By using this given table, we form the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, understand ma? Okay, in that we are having the element numbers and connected between the bus numbers and the reactance values. Okay, that reactance values will be given in the per units. Okay, the reactance values will be given in the per unit. And we are having the three elements are there, that is element 1, element 2 and element 3. Okay, and also we are having the buses, that is the bus 1, bus 2, bus 3. Okay, that is bus 1, bus 2 and bus 3, and the self reactances are 0 0.1, 0 0.15 and 0 0.2. Okay, this is the table. Okay, by using that table we form the JetBus building algorithm by step procedure. Okay, we already well known about the types of modifications. Okay, in the previous class we discussed about the types of modifications. Okay, we are having the how many types of modifications are there? 4 types of modifications. Okay, that is type 1 modification, type 2 modification, type 3 modification and type 4 modification. Okay, by adding the element between the one bus to another bus, first of all we are identifying the which type of modification is there and how we will form the JetBus for that type of modification. Okay, we remember those formulas. Okay, by using that formulas we can form the JetBus building algorithm by step procedure. Okay, before going to solve the JetBus building algorithm, okay, first of all we draw the graph for that JetBus. Okay, we draw the graph for that given table. Okay, we are having the how many elements are there? 3 elements and buses are 3. Okay, then we can draw the network diagram or the graph. Okay, by using this data, first of all we draw the diagram. Okay, we will draw the diagram. Okay, this is the node 1. Okay, consider this is the node 1 and this is the node 2 and this is the node 3. Okay, how many nodes are there? We are having the 3 nodes. Okay, first the element 1 is added in between the first node to second node or first bus to second bus. Okay, this is the element 1. Okay, the element 1 is added in between bus 1 to bus 2. Okay, 1 to 2 means we are representing the arrow mark like this. Okay, what is the value for that element 1? That is 0.1. Okay, that is 0.1. Okay, that values will be in the per unit values. Okay, this is 0.1. Okay, next the element 2 is added in between the first bus to third bus. Okay, in between the first bus to third bus we are having the element 3. Okay, this is the element 3, 1 to 3. Okay, therefore the direction is like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then that element is this is the element 1. Okay, this is the element 1 and this is the element 2. This is the element 2. Okay, that's value is 0.15. Okay, the element 2 value is 0.15. Okay, this is 0.15. Next, okay, the element 3 that is added in between bus 2 to bus 3. Okay, in between bus 2 to bus 3, we are adding the element 3. Okay, 2 to 3. Okay, that's why we are taking the arrow like this. Okay, then that's value is 0.2 per unit. Then that's value is 0.2 per unit. Okay, all the values is represented in the per unit. Okay, this is the element 3. Okay, this is the element 3. Okay, by using this given table, first we draw the graph. Okay, this is the graph for that Z-bus matrix. Okay, by using this graph, we can form the Z-bus building algorithm by step procedure. Okay, this is the graph for the given table. Okay, this is the graph for the given table. Okay, this is the graph for that given table. Okay, this is the bus 1, bus 2 and bus 3. Okay, we are having the 3 elements, that is element 1, element 2 and element 3. Okay, its value is 0.15, not 0.10. Okay, its value is 0.15. Okay, the element 2 value is 0.15. That will be mentioned in the table, given table. Okay, this is the element 1. This element 1 is connected in between the first bus to second bus. Okay, first bus to second bus. Okay, next the element 2 is added in between bus 1 to bus 3. Okay, that's value is 0.15. Okay, this is the element 2. Okay, next the element 3 is added in between bus 2 to bus 3. Okay, that's value is 0.2. Okay, that's value is 0.2. Okay, this is the graph for the given table. Okay, after drawing that graph, then we form the Z-bus building algorithm by step procedure. Okay. First step 1. Step 1, taking 1 as the reference node or the reference bus. Okay, what is the step 1? Taking the reference node. Okay, in this graph, we are taking the bus 1 as the reference. Okay, in that we are taking the bus 1 as the reference. Next, coming to the step 2. Okay, what is the step 2? First, the element 1 is added between the reference to new bus. Okay, if the element is added in between reference to new bus, then this type of modification is called as the type 1 modification. Okay, this is the type 1 modification. Okay, what is the type 1 modification? The element 1 is added in between the reference node to new node. Okay, then this type of modification is called as the type 1 modification. Okay, what is the formula for that formation of the Z-bus in the type 1 modification is okay, that is first Z-bus old is Z-bus old 0, 0 and ZBR. Okay, that is the element that will be added from the reference node to new bus. Okay, this is the formation of the Z-bus in the type 1 modification. Okay, Z-bus old 0, 0, ZBR. Okay, in this there is no Z-bus old matrix, then it will be considered as the 0. Okay, this is the 1, taking 1 as the reference, and this is the 1, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the 2 and This is the Z11 value, Z22, Z2, Z12, Z21, Z22. Okay, therefore ZBR is the Z22. The remaining three elements are 0. Why? Because the Z bus is old is also 0. Okay, there is no representation of the Z bus old matrix. Okay, then Z21 or 12 is equal to 0. Okay, then the ZBR is the Z22 value. Therefore, in the type 1 modification, therefore the ZBR is equal to, okay, that ZBR is equal to Z22. Okay, what is the element we will added? That is 0.1. Okay, the element 1 is added. Okay, that value is the 0.1. Okay, that's value is the 0.1. Okay, therefore it is 2. Okay, then this the value is the Z22. Okay, this is Z22 value. Okay, Z22 value. Okay, this is the type 1 modification. Okay, what is the type 1 modification? When the element is added between the reference node to the new node. Okay, this is the reference node. Okay, that will be mentioned in the step 1. Okay, taking 1 as the reference node. Okay, and 2 is the new node. Okay, if the element is added in between the reference node to the new node, okay, then it is the type 1 modification. Okay, in the type 1 modification, what is the formula for that formation of the Z bus? Okay, therefore Z bus new is equal to, okay, therefore Z bus new is equal to Z bus old 0, 0 and ZBR. Okay, ZBR is the element that will be added. Okay, what is the which element is added? Okay, that is 0.1. Okay, the element 0.1 is added in between the reference node to the new node. Okay, that is 0.1. Okay, therefore Z bus new. Okay, therefore Z bus new is equal to Z22. Okay, that is 0.1. Okay, after completing the second step, after adding the element between the reference node to new node, okay, then we form the Z bus new matrix, that is 0.1. Okay, this is the Z bus new. Okay, then we are going to the step 3. Okay, this is the type 1 modification and this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Therefore, Z bus equal to the 0.1, that is Z22. Okay, that is Z22. Z bus old 0, 0. ZS are the ZBR. Okay, there is no Z bus old matrix. Okay, then it will be considered as the 0, 0, 0, 0. And which element we will be added? That is 0.1. Okay, that is 0.1. Therefore, it is the 0.1. Okay, therefore, Z bus new is equal to the 0.1. Okay, Z bus new is equal to 0.1. Okay, next coming to the third step, step 3. Okay, the element 2 is added. Okay, the element 2 is added in between 1 and the 3. Okay, 1 is the reference bus. Okay, 1 is the reference bus and 3 is the new bus. Okay, and 3 is the new bus. Okay, that is the element is added between reference to the new bus. Okay, therefore the element is added, okay, in between reference to the new bus. Okay, then this type of modification is known as type 1 modification. Also, this type of modification is known as the type 1 modification. Okay, what is the type 1 modification? The element is added in between reference to new bus. Okay, in this case, what is the reference bus? That is 1. Okay, what is the new bus? That is 3. Okay, in the step 2, what is the reference bus? 1. And what is the new bus? 2. Okay, in the step 3, what is the reference bus? 1. And what is the new bus? That is 3. Okay, the element is 0.15. Okay, this is the 0.15. Okay, the element 2 is added in between the 1 to 3. Okay, that's value is 0.15. Okay, what is the procedure for forming the Z-bus matrix in the type 1 modification? Okay, what is the formula for that? Z-bus nu. Okay, therefore Z-bus nu is equal to Z-bus old. Okay, Z-bus old, Z-bus old and 0, 0 and ZS are the ZBR. ZS are the ZBR. Okay, the element that will be added in between the reference to new bus. Okay, that is the ZS. Okay, therefore, what is the ZBus old value? Okay, therefore, ZBus new is equal to, what is the ZBus old? ZBus old is the Z22. Okay, that's value is 0.1. Okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, in the previous case, there is no Z-bus old matrix. Okay, then we consider as the 0. Okay, but in this case, we are having the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, that will be given in the step 2. Okay, that will be given in the step 2. Okay, then substitute the Z-bus old matrix, that is the 0.1. Okay, and then consider this is the 0 and this is the 0. And what is the ZS? The element that will be added in the step 3. The element value is the 0.14. Okay, therefore, the element value is the 0.15. Okay, this is the Z-bus new matrix. Okay, this is the Z-bus new matrix. And 1 is the reference. Okay, then it is the 2, 3. Okay, this is the 2 and this is the 3. Okay, therefore this value is the Z22 value and this is the Z23 and this is the Z32 and this is the Z33 value or the ZS value. Okay, this is the Z-bus new matrix when we are adding the element between the reference to new bus. After completing the step 3, okay, the Z-bus new matrix is 0.1, 0, 0, 0.5. Okay, next, coming to the step 4. Okay, this is the Z-bus. Okay, that element we will be added, that is 0.15. Okay, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix and 0, 0. And this is the ZBR or the ZS. Okay, the element that will be added is the 0.15. Okay, this is the Z-bus new matrix. Okay, after calculating the Z-bus new matrix, then we calculate the then we will go for the step 4. Okay, then we go for the step 4. Okay, what is the step 4? The element 3. Okay, this is the element 3. The element 3 is added in between the 2 to 3. Okay, the element 3 is added in between the 2 to 3. Where 2 is the old bus. Okay, where 3 is the old bus. Okay, that bus is already existing in the step 2. Okay, the 2 bus is already existing in the step 2. Okay, and then the 3 is also old bus. Okay, that will be existing in the step 3. Okay, therefore, the bus 2 and the bus 3 are considered as the old buses. Okay, therefore, the bus 2 and bus 3 are considered as the old buses. Okay, then the element 3 that will be added in between 2 old buses. Okay, the element 3 that will be added in between the 2 old buses. Okay, if the element is added in between the 2 old buses, then this type of modification is called as the type 4 modification. Okay, then this type of modification is known as the type 4 modification. Okay, if the element is added in the 2 old buses, then it will be considered as the link. Okay, then it will be considered as the link. Suppose if the element is the type 4 modification or type 3 modification, then automatically we are considering as it is a link. Okay, in the type 3 modification and type 4 modification, the elements are added in the graph. Okay, that will be represented in the link. okay, in type 3 and the type 4 modifications. Okay, that's why we are representing that element in the dotted line. Okay, that's why we are representing the element 3 in the dotted line. Okay, and then in the type 4 modification, okay, what is the formula for the formation of the Z-bus matrix? Okay, what is the formula for the formation of the Z-bus matrix? Okay, this is the type 4 modification. Okay, what is meant by type 4 modification? The element is added in between two old buses. Okay, in this given network, I and the K are the old buses. Therefore, that ZS is added in between the I and the K. Okay, in between the I and the K. Okay, in this case, the element is added in between I and K. Okay, where we are observing the, what is the I value? 2. Okay, what is the I value? 2. And what is the K value? 3. And what is the K value? 3. Okay, the element is added, element 3 as added in between the two old buses. Two old buses means the like this. Okay, this is the two old buses, that is I and the K. Okay, the element ZS is added in between the I and the K. Okay, in this formula, okay, what is the I value? Okay, in this diagraph, the I value is considered as the 2 and K value is considered as the 3. Okay, understand ma? K value is considered as the 3. Okay, and then you observe the formula for that Z-bus formation matrix. Okay, this is the Z-bus whole matrix. Okay, that will be obtained in the step 3. Okay, what is the Z-bus whole matrix? Okay, this is the Z-bus whole matrix after completing the step 3. Okay, what is that value? That is 0 0.1, 0, 0, 0.15. Okay, 0 0.1, 0, 0, 0.15. Okay, this is the old bus matrix. This is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, and then substitute, this is the Z-bus old matrix 0 0.1. Okay, Z-bus old matrix is equal to Z-bus old is equal to 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0, 0, and 0 0.15. Okay, and 0 0.15. Okay, this is 2, 2. This is the 2, and this is 3, and this is 3, and therefore Z22 value is equal to 0 0.1, Z2 is 0, Z32 is equal to 0, Z33 is equal to 0 0.15, Z33 is equal to 0 0.15. Okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, in this case, what is the I value? I is equal to the element is added in between the second node to third node. Therefore, I is equal to 2 and K is equal to 3. Okay, second node to third node. Okay, then we are considering I is equal to 2 and K is equal to 3. Okay, understand ma? Then substitute the formula for that Z-bus new matrix in the type 4 modification. Okay, the formula for the Z-bus new matrix in the type 4 modification. Okay, therefore Z-bus new is equal to Z-bus old. Okay, that will be obtained in the after completing the step 3. Okay, then we obtain the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, minus 1 by ZS. Okay, where ZS is the element that will be added in the step 4. Okay, what is the element that will be added? 0.2. Okay, the element 3 is added in between the two old buses, that is the 0.2. Okay, therefore ZS is 0.2 plus ZKK plus ZKK, where K is equal to the 3 and plus Z33. Okay, plus Z33 plus Zi, where I is equal to 2. Why we are taking as I equal to 2 and k equal to 3 means that, okay, the element 3 is added in between the two old buses. Okay, what are the two old buses? 2 and the 3. Okay, then we are considering as I is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3. Okay, therefore ZKK means the Z33 plus Z22 minus 2Z23 into Z1I. Okay, Z12 minus Z13. Okay, Z22 minus Z23 and swan Z22 minus Z23 and swan Z32 minus Z33 and swan Zni minus Nk, where n is equal to up to 2 only. Okay, we are having the 1 is the reference bus and we are remaining nodes are the remaining buses are 2. Okay, then we are considering as this matrix is the 2 by 2 by 1 matrix and this matrix is the 2 by 1 matrix. Similarly, we can substitute Zi1 means I is equal to 2, 2, 1 minus Z3, 1. Okay, and swan Z2, 2, 2 minus Z3, 3, 2, Z32. Okay, substitute all the values in the formula. Okay, that will be given in the type 4 modification. Okay, after completing the type 4 modification, we obtain the Z-bus new matrix. Okay, okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, that will be obtained in the after completing the step 3 modification. Okay, where I is equal to 2 and k is equal to 3. Okay, and then substitute this is true Z-bus old matrix minus 1 by ZBR or the ZS. Okay, ZS means that the element we are adding between the two old buses, that is element 3 plus ZKK means the ZKK means Z33 plus ZII means Z22 minus 2 into ZIK means 2, 3. Okay, into Z12 minus Z13, Z22 minus Z23. Okay, Z12 1I minus Z1K. Okay, and swan n, where n is equal to 2. Why? Because we are considering as n is equal to 2. Okay, we are having the only 3 buses. Okay, in that one we are considering as the reference bus. Okay, the remaining buses are the 2. Okay, then this matrix is the 2 by 1 matrix and this is the 1 by 2 matrix. Okay, therefore n is considered as 2. Therefore, we are considering as n value that is equal to 2. N equal to 2. I is equal to 2, n equal to 2 and k equal to 3. Okay, then substitute all the values in this formula. Okay, this is the Z22 value. Okay, in the Z-bus old matrix, this is the Z22 value and this is the Z23 value and this is the Z32 value. Z32 value. Okay, and this is the Z33 value and this is the Z33 value. This is the Z33 value. Okay, and then substitute. Okay, this is the Z-bus old matrix. Okay, this is Z-bus old matrix. Okay, that will be obtained after completing the step 3 modification. Okay, Z-bus old minus Z-bus old minus 1 by ZS. ZS means the ZBR. Okay, the element 3 that will be added between the two old buses, that is 0.2. Okay, 0.2 plus Z22. Okay, where ZII means the I is equal to 2. Okay, then Z22 value. Okay, what is the Z22 value? That is 0.1. Okay, substitute. Z22 value is 0.1 plus ZKK. KK means the Z33. Okay, therefore Z33 is equal to 0.15. Okay, Z33 is equal to 0.15 minus 2 into Z23 value. 2 into Z23. Okay. What is the Z23 value? That is 0. 23 value is 0. Okay. Into Z12. Okay. What is the Z12? Okay. 1 we are considering as the reference. Therefore, Z12 and Z13 we are considering as the 0. Okay. Therefore, 0 minus 0. Okay. The 1 is the reference node. Okay. Then all the 1 values will be considered as the 0. Okay. That is 0 minus 0. Next, Z22. Okay. This is the Z22 value. That is 0.1. Okay. Therefore, Z22 is equal to, this is minus 0.1 minus Z23. Z23 is also 0. Okay. Z23 is also 0. Okay. Into Z12. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3 consider as 0 values. That is 0 minus 0. Next, Z22. 22 means 0.1 minus 0. 0.1 minus 0. Okay. This is the 0, 0.1. This is 0, 0.1. Okay. This is also 0, 0.1. We multiply this matrix 2 by 1 and 1 by 2 matrix. Then we obtain the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Then we multiplied this value. Okay. After that, we are obtaining the some another matrix. Then we subtract these two matrices. Okay. Then we obtain the Z-bus new matrix. Okay. Then we obtain the Z-bus new matrix. Okay. Finally, we obtain the Z-bus new matrix when we are simplifying this equation. Okay. When we are simplifying this equation, finally we obtain the Z-bus new matrix. Okay. Understand, ma? It is very important problem in the external point of view. Okay. This question takes the 14 marks. Okay, understand. First of all, we remember the formulas for that type 1, type 2, and type 3 and type 4 modifications. Okay, after that, okay, the element is a type 1 mod. You remember that the element is a type 1 modification or type 2 modification, type 3 or type 4, and how we can form the Z-bus matrix for each and every type of matrix. Okay, then we can easily solve the problem that will be related to the Z-bus formation matrix. Okay, understand, ma? These are the various steps. Okay, these are the various steps for calculating the Z-bus matrix. Okay, we are having the 4 steps are there. Okay, in that we are using only 2 types of modifications. That is type 1 modification and type 4 modification. Okay, in the previous class, we are observing the problem. Okay, in that we are having the 4 types of modifications. That is type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay, but in this problem, we are observing only 2 types of modifications. That is type 1 and the type 4 modifications. Okay, that is type 1 and type 4 modifications. Okay, this is the given diagram. In this case, the element 1 is the type 1 modification. The element 1 is added in between the reference node to the new node. Okay, then it is the type 1 modification. Okay, then the element 2 is added in between the reference to new node. Okay, then it will be considered as the type 2 modification. Okay, then it will be considered as the type 2 modification. Okay, after that, the element 3 is added in between the 2 old buses. Then it will be considered as type 3 modification. Okay, then it will be considered as type 4 modification. Sorry, not type 3, type 4 modification. Okay, sorry, this is also type 1 modification. Reference to new means the type 1 modification. This is also reference to new and it is the type 1 modification. In between the 2 old buses means the type 4 modification. Type 4 modification. Okay, in this formula, we are using only type 1 modification and type 4 modifications. Okay, in the next class, we are observing the another problem that will be related to the formation of the JetBus building algorithm. Okay, it is the very important problems. Okay, in the exam point of view.